Good day, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm Leanne Cabiso, a fresh graduate of Bachelor of Special Needs Education from Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology. I'm also a licensed professional teacher with a board rating of 90. During my college years, I joined several seminars that focus on handling students with special needs, and I had my internship in a SPED setting. I consider myself as a patient and dedicated person who's really passionate about teaching. And I believe that every child deserves quality education no matter their learning differences. And that's why I want to be part of your school to help make that happen. As a SPED teacher, I always keep in mind that no two learners are exactly the same. I adjust my lesson depending on what my students need. Some might learn better with pictures, others with hands-on activities, and some through simple one-on-one guidance. For example, during my internship, I prepared visual aids and used simple words for students with intellectual disability, while also giving more independent tasks to those who could handle them. I also make sure that every child is included and has a way to participate no matter their level. During my internship, I had one student who would often leave his seat and walk around the room, which distracted the class. And instead of getting mad or giving punishment, I tried to understand why it was happening. I observed that he was overwhelmed during some activities, so I adjusted the lesson and gave him short movement breaks. I also used simple phrases like good job for staying seated, which helped encourage better behavior. And over time, he became more focused and calm. And that experience showed me how important it is to be patient and to always try to understand the why behind that behavior. I believe technology really helps make learning more fun and engaging, especially for students with special needs. In one of my lessons during internship, I used an educational video to teach emotions, and after watching, the student played a matching game using digital flashcards, where they had to match the pace with the correct emotion. They really enjoyed it and participated actively. So tools like videos and online activities help to catch their attention and make abstract concept easier for them to understand. Since every student is different, I also use different ways to check if they understand the lesson. For example, I use simple oral questioning while others might do short written tasks or drawing activities. I also observe how their behavior during class, how they participate, how they follow instructions, or how they complete the task. And if needed, I also modify the assessment to match their ability. And what matters most is that I get to see what they really learned in a way that fits them. I believe that relationships are the foundation of learning. I always start by showing genuine care and respect to my student. I take time to know their interests, their strength, and even the small things they enjoy. I also celebrate their little successes and make them feel safe to express themselves. In an inclusive classroom, I make sure everyone feels accepted. I set simple routine, use clear communication, and always remind my student that it's okay to make mistakes. Building trust is very important, especially with students who may already feel different. My approach is more on being proactive than reactive. I set clear rules from the start and explain them in a way that students can understand. I also use positive reinforcement, simple praise, reward systems, or even stickers to encourage their good behavior. When issues happen, I try to stay calm and talk to the student privately if needed. I always try to understand the reason behind their behavior and help the student learn how to manage it. Consistency, respect, and patience are key in managing any classroom, especially in SPED setting. What motivates me is seeing students grow not just in academics but also in confidence and independence. I know that students with special needs face many challenges, and being someone who can guide and support them give me a strong sense of purpose. My long-term goal is to become a well-trained SPED teacher who can contribute not just inside the classroom but also by helping improve program for inclusive education. I also hope to pursue further studies someday to better serve students and to be a resource for other teachers as well.